India's national dish is biryani. Now, if you look at this map of the most commonly ordered dish by state, the south and the east predictably prefer biryani, while the north and west prefer pizza. But if you total it across India, biryani wins. Every 50 kilometers in India, there is a different version. From Kashmir to Dindigal Talapakatti, from Kolkata's biryani with potato to Bombay biryani. The spectrum of flavors range from lightly spiced to strongly aromatic, from mild to hot, small grain sambar to long grain basmati. But where did biryani come from? The name itself has two origin stories, both Persian. One is birinj, meaning rice. In fact, in Tamil Nadu, there is a brinji rice, which is like saying rice, like Akbar the Great. The second is biryan, meaning fried. Fun fact, the Mughal emperor's cookbooks include a veg/paneer biryani. So veg biryani is a thing. But what will surprise you is that it's only the name that is of Persian origin. The dish itself, the Valmiki Ramayana describes a dish of rice cooked with meat called mamsodana. Even the Mahabharata and Upanishads mention rice plus meat dishes. The Pakadarpana, a 12th century cookbook, also features dishes very similar to biryani. Indian food has always been about embracing influences from everywhere. The biryani gets its name from Persian, the dum cooking technique from Central Asia, many of the spices from Southeast Asia, but invented and perfected in India.